Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 1966 Dodge Charger that's been fully restored. This one is painted in champagne with pearl white interior, and it has the iconic, legendary 426 Hemi with the automatic transmission. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So let's take a look. Underneath the trunk, you can see it's painted body color. It looks wonderful. Inside the trunk, it's all been carpeted, so it looks great. Black carpet. We do have a compartment down here as well that's also carpeted. We got two 12-volt socket here that's been added with USB. We've got a toggle here that lights up there, so that's pretty cool. A few modern touches on this car as well. And then we'll close the trunk lid here. You can see the rubber all looks great as well. The seals. Close the trunk lid there. Let's zoom out here. We'll take a look at the roof. So the roof looks beautiful. And here we got the fastback design. There's your interior. As we come down here, you can see the paint looks wonderful. We got this really cool 3D Dodge Division badge here. It's just a really beautiful design here. Let's come back to the rear here. You can see that rear tail panel. It says Charger all the way across in the script. And that full, this is all lit up when the lights are on. So that's a really cool feature back in 1966. And again, you gotta remember, this is the first year of the Dodge Charger, so this is just a revolutionary car. We also have a backup camera here that's been added, and you can check out the dual exhaust here with those big oval tips. Looked great. All the brake work on this car looks wonderful as well. You can see the nice stainless here, all the way across here, the bumpers. Take a look underneath the car. You can see it's just as beautiful underneath as is on top. It's got true dual exhaust, the 8 3/4 rear end there. We'll move to the front, the wheels now. And check out these wheels here. We got the, these are my favorite rims. These are the American Racing TorqueFlite wheels, TorqueFlite 2s, and it's wrapped in radial tires. So we got Cooper Cobra tires. A 295/50 R16, so we got a nice 16-inch rim, a little bit more rim diameter, and nice beefy tire. You can see it's got drum brakes in the rear here. And I want to show you the caps here. Custom made, it says 426 Hemi Charger in them. Nice classic touch there. You can see everything looks wonderful under here. Let's take a look at the front wheels now. And you can see that has disc brakes in the front there, so nice disc brake kit with the red calipers there. The tire size in the front is a 235/60 R16, so we got a nice staggered wheel. Okay, let's make our way to the interior now. So the Charger has the upgraded interior. It's the classy car of the muscle cars. So you can see the pearl white door panel there. We got the nice Charger script here. We got the vent windows, and we have power windows all the way around the car. So that's a nice feature back in 1966. There's your armrest, your handle. It's got carpet down below. Show you the doors underneath. Very solid, all clean. And we'll show you the dash over here. The dash pad looks great. It's all painted. No rips or tears. Here's your glove box. You can see that looks wonderful. Let's open this up. There we are. And it's even carpeted or lined inside. If you look in here, we have the 1966 Charger owner's manual, and it looks to be original to the car. So that is a really cool feature. Even got the proper stamp there. Show you the door jambs over here. Again, nice and tidy. Your kick plate looks great. Jams there. We'll fold back that seat and check out the interior. So we got rear bucket seats. Really cool feature on these 66 Chargers. And you're also going to notice the full length console. Really cool feature of this car as well. Again, the pearl white seats look great. They look like brand new. These do fold down like so. And if I can get in here, fold that down so you can kind of get a view of how it'll look. So you got massive storage space there. Let's put these back up here. There we go. A little difficult to do with one hand here. Door panels look great. You can see the armrests, and of course we got the all-important ashtrays all the way around the car. Power windows in the back here. All the carpet looks like new. And show you the headliner here. It's nice and crisp. Even the visors look great. They're nice and stiff. They don't fall down. The mirror functions well as well. See behind the seat. Looks great. You got seat belts that are all new as well. Show you the carpet here. This carpet's all new. Charger floor mats to match it. I'll show you the seat here. Great view. I love the design in it. Very premium looking. We'll scan the seat here. Nice bucket seats. They're very cool. Okay, let's close that door. Let's come back here, show you the lines back here. Again, all that bright work looks just beautiful. And it's got that really nice fastback design. And it looks so great on this car, being the size of it is, it's really pronounced. You can even see the glass here, it's even curved here. Really nice features. You got your charger script there. Glass on the car looks nice and crisp as well. I really like these side gills here. It's one of my favorite parts of the Charger. And look at these wide tires back here. Gives it nice pronunciation. Nice trim down there. I'll show you underneath again. So you can see, very nice and clean. Nice big headers there. We got a GearVender Overdrive. You can see it right there. All right, and we'll come back here. You can see even the door handles look great. Mirrors, again, the glass looks nice and crisp, clean. We got the power antenna here, and we got the all-important 426 Hemi badge here. If you look at all the body lines, this color really pronounces all the body lines, and I think that's really cool. Very fitting color on this car. Show you the grille here. Very iconic grille. Looks so great. And these do flip up to expose the headlights when they're on. You can see the chrome looks great. Let's take a look underneath here. Look at that. Looks beautiful. All right, let's take a look underneath the hood. The all-important power plant. So here is your hood, all painted nicely. We got a cutout here with the scoop, and we'll see that in a bit. And that's to house the air cleaner cover there, so it is exposed underneath the hood. And here is your power plant. It's the legendary and iconic 426 Hemi engine. This one has been pulled and freshly rebuilt by a professional race engine shop. It's been dynoed, and it produced 487 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. So very healthy figures. And you can see it's got the dual 4-barrel setup here. And you can see how massive this motor is. This is not a small engine bay. And it just fills it right up. You can see why Mopar called this the elephant engine. All right, you can see it's got power brakes. We got power steering. We have air conditioning as well. You can see it's got the aluminum radiator, fan there, and it's just very pretty engine bay. It's got the long tube headers as we saw underneath the car. This car is ready to drive. Close the hood, closes in beautifully. You can hear, I love the sound of the hoods closing on these old cars. And here's that scoop I was talking about. So you can see the air cleaner there. As you come here, you can see the front view. So this is the 6-pack hood scoop. And it looks great on this car. Let's make our way to the front now. You can see the paint is just wonderful on this as well. We've done our thing with the paint work, so it's got all the paint correction done to it. But it was a beautiful car to start with, the paint work. And you can see the wheel over here. Let's check out the back wheel here. And again, look at that. Just beautiful lines. Here's your gas cap here. That looks great as well. And this is a hard top, so when the power windows do go down, there's no post here, so it's all open. I really love that feel of the old cars. these older cars. And we'll come here to the door panel. Again, that premium panel, you got all the metal, looks great. Tiny little bit of patina here. Got the charger script here, and we got the, you can see the dial to move the mirrors. Here's all your power windows. Here's your dash pad. Again, the carpeted doormat there. We'll show you the doors here. Very nice. Here is your VIN, and the car does have a fender tag. I forgot to show you that, but it does. It wasn't it was originally a 383 car. They've added the Hemi engine along the way, which just made this car even better. So it's got Chrysler's 727 TorqueFlite transmission, and again, it's got the GearVender Overdrive, so you can drive this car. Let's check out the rear seat again. They just look great. Behind the seats there. This car is just ready to go. Here's all your pedals there. Floor mats. Again, it's got seat belts all the way around. Show you the seat here. Again, the headliner looks great. Let's jump in the car, shall we? Close the door here. Oh, sounds great when you close that door. And check out the beautiful dash here. You can see it's very aircraft inspired. All the gauges here, it's got 4 big gauges. So you got the nice gauges here. Here's your speedometer or tach. Here's your mileage, 55,069 miles. Of course, we don't know if that's original or not. Could be rolled over. And it does have air conditioning as well. It's got the radio there as well. And let's go ahead and start the car. So it's got an electric fuel pump. All right, there we go. Okay, here's your steering wheel. It's got a custom steering wheel, smaller wheels, 3-spoke design. It's got this kind of a wood patina here with the rubber on the outside. Looks great. Much easier to spin this wheel than the stock wheel. It also has a tilt column here, so you can tilt the wheel. It's got the nice signals here. Let's start over here. So you got your headlight controls here. I will turn them on. Here's your lights. And then we have your wiper control there. And then over here, we got your hood release, and your key. And then we have your lighter here. Here's your vents for your air conditioning. Show you the dash over here. Looks wonderful. Just a beautiful looking dash. And then down here, we got your backup camera. So that was obviously added. And then we have the your automatic transmission control. So it's in the floor shift console. So it looks really cool. And again, it has the overdrive. We got the lights down here. Console looks great here. And I'm gonna put the window down here so you can see the power windows. Oh, gotta figure out which one I got here. There we go. So that one goes down. We'll take a look at that. You can hear the cars running. Let's open up the door now. And let's give a couple revs. Open up some of those 4-barrel there, those 8 barrels I should say. Let's close this door, make our way to the front. I got the headlights on, and you can see the headlights are flipped now, and it's still got that really great look. The high beams aren't on right now, it's just the driving lights, so you know what, let's go put them on. I'll show you how that works. Most of you guys probably remember, the high beam switch is down on the floor here. All right, shut that door. Make our way to the front now. See the lights are on there. We'll come down here. You can look at that. Just a great looking car. And there we go. We got the windows down, so you got the post gone now. I can put my hand right through here. And the vent windows, you can pop those open if you like. We'll walk around here. Let's come to the rear. Let's listen to this exhaust. Wow, and there's that tail light I was talking about, all across there. It just sounds wonderful. And that just looks wonderful as well. It's just a sharp car. have it. This is a 1966 Dodge Charger, fully restored with a brand new fresh Hemi engine. This is here available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.